before you enter 2024. I need you to see how people made their millions in 2023. Our favorite content creator Salem asked a question on his page saying, how did you make your millions this year? The answers are quite interesting, and I'm sure you're going to learn one or two things from there. So this person said 9 to 5. You see, people are still making millions from working 9 to 5 jobs. So don't let anybody tell you that you can't make millions or you can't be rich from working for someone. The next here is forex trading. If you've been wanting to learn forex trading, this is a sign that you should learn it this year. This one made millions from interior design and artworks. So if you're a creative person, keep pushing, okay? Your creativity will make you millions. This is another creative skill, gift boxes for Samsung. You need to be excellent at what you do so that big brands will recognize you and you will make millions. Or probably you have to reach out yourself. Now, this person made millions from selling a product of 500 times. Are you with your calculator? Help me calculate this, please. Now, this person said product design. I don't know much about product design, but in case you've been wanting to learn product design, this is a sign that you can make millions from it. Here's another person who made millions from working 2 jobs. Just that he or she had to trade his or her peace of mind, but at least you made the millions. Now this person said, I sold my import course in February to 590 people at 12.5. Course creators. Then he repeated the process again, this time around selling to 860 people. Okay, are you calculating? And again did end of year sales to 800 people for 3.5. Man, okay, this one is like magic. My office gave all low management staff some kind of support fund. I follow Salem the ask, where are you people seeing this type of jobs? Virtual assistant is something that someone made millions from in the year 2023. Virtual assistants. Crypto trading. Crypto trading is very volatile. You can make money, you can lose money. If you want to start crypto trading, drop a comment below. I have something for you, but remember it's risky. Okay, this one is an easy one. My parents, my dear, thank God for your parents. We need to have parents that are rich. It's very important. Now this is a lot of things: coaching, virtual assistant, agency work, online course, affiliate marketing, contractor for ConvertKit, travel consultant, memberships. You hustled, but at least you made it. Made my first million this year from an event. Wow. Did the event pay you to speak, host, or just like they dashed you money? You need to come and explain. By relying on God's word and offering awesome customer service to my clients. So this person was excellent at customer service. That's good. This one said, my uncle gifted me for my wedding. Wow, there are so many ways to make millions. Content creation. Now your content creators gather. There is hope for you. You can make millions from content creation. Okay, let us clap. This person said, I stopped working for Nigerians. What do you mean? What exactly do you mean? The Nigerians don't pay? My dear, they don't pay. I worked for a Nigerian company this year and I was not paid. One freelance project, web design. Man, just one project. This is where you need to be excellent at your skill. Just one skill, one project can make you lots of money. Okay, this one said, my dad gave me 7 million. I invested it back. Wow. Rich dad, we thank you. We also want to become rich parents. I posted a video and boom, I had over 27 million views. This person is mistaking million views for million naira or dollars. No be the same. By creating videos and leveraging said videos to close adult size deals. You see, video marketing. I sold thrift wares. Okay, You see, there is money in selling okirika. This person made over 2 million in only December. Hey, from telling jokes. That's a good one. This one is making money from what you love, making money from what you're passionate at. Can you tell jokes? Are you funny? Ngwa, start your own. This is another paid employment person making millions. You must not quit your job, okay? Thank you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.